Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Guys, did you know that some of the most common household items that everyday we use are harming our health? From your shampoo to your non-stick cookware, toxic chemicals are lurking in place you would never expect. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you will know exactly which products to ditch and what safer alternatives to use instead. So, in today's world, we are surrounded by the chemicals. Some are harmless, but others not so much. Long term exposure to certain toxins can lead to hormonal imbalances, respiratory issues, skin problems, and even chronic disease. So, let's dive into the list of everyday products that could be putting your health at risk. So, first is non stick cookware. Non-stick pans make cooking and cleaning a breeze, but they come with a dangerous secret: PFAS and PFOA chemicals. These forever chemicals don't just stay in your pan, they leach into your food and can cause hormone disruption, thyroid issues, and even the cancer. So, what are the safer alternatives? So you can switch to cast iron, stainless steel, or ceramic cookware. They might require a little more maintenance, but your health is worth it. Second in our list is air fresheners and scented candles. Who doesn't love a fresh smelling home? But here is the ugly truth. Most air fresheners and scented candles also contains formaldehyde and benzene, all of which are linked to respiratory issues, headaches, and even reproductive problems. So, instead, you can try essential oils diffusers, beeswax candles, or homemade air fresheners made from citrus peels and baking soda. Third in our list is plastic food containers and bottles. Think twice before microwaving food in plastic containers. Many plastic products contains BPA and other endocrine disrupting chemicals which can leach into your food and water, messing with your hormones and increasing the risk of obesity and the cancer. So, what are the safer alternatives? Use glass, stainless steel, or BPA free silicone containers for food storage and always opt for the reusable water bottles made from safe materials. Fourth in our list is chemical based cleaning products. Many household cleaners contains harsh chemicals like ammonia, chlorine, and formaldehyde, which can cause the allergies, skin irritation, and even the lung damage when inhaled regularly. So, you can try switching to natural cleaning products like vinegar, baking soda, or lemon juice. They work just as well without harming your health. Fifth in our list is conventional skincare and the beauty products. You might be losing lotion, shampoo, and makeup could be handing a cocktail of harmful ingredients like parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrance, all of which have been linked to hormonal disruption and the skin irritation. So, for safer alternative, you can choose organic, fragrance-free, and paraben-free skincare products. Look for the brands that prioritize clean ingredients. Sixth in our list is Teflon coated aluminum oil, foil, and sheets. Ever wondered why your baking sheets are so non-stick? The answer is Teflon coatings, which release toxin fumes when heated. And aluminum foil, research suggests that high aluminum exposure is linked to neurological disease like the Alzheimer. So, you can use uncoated stainless steel baking sheets, parchment paper, or the silicone baking mats instead. All right, so we have covered a lot of today, but don't feel overwhelmed. Small changes add up. Start by replacing one toxic product at a time, and before you know it, your home will be a much healthier place. So, which of these toxic products surprise you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. See you in the next video.